So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the brightness of an image here on Visme. So once Visme's opened up on your device, what I want you to do first and foremost is add a photo into your design. So to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen, right up between graphics and data. I want you to press on the photos icon right here. Then once you're here, you can either select a photo that you've uploaded, or what you can also do is browse the photos through Visme. So if I wanted to search up a photo perhaps of the sky, I'll just search up sky right here, a whole bunch of different sky photos. We can go ahead and select this one right here, a nice little sky with an ocean. I will make it a little bit larger as well, so it's easier for you guys to see just like that. Now, if you wanted to edit the brightness of this photo, it's pretty straightforward. What you have to do is actually select the photo, go to the top left, make sure that this edit bar or this edit button is selected. Then once you're here, this drop-down menu on the left-hand side of your screen will come up. Then go to the bottom, press on Customize. To get this drop-down menu, then scroll down to the bottom. Brightness right here, as of right now, it's set at 0. So what you can either do is select this bar. If you want to make it more bright, you can slide it to the right. If you want to make it less bright, you can slide it to the left. Or you can also just select the number right here. So if you wanted to do maybe 10, press on 10, press on enter, and there you go. So a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can edit the image brightness of an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.